You see that? That's how much current is out here. That is crazy. It's for tough fishing out here, so hopefully.
Number 3, learn water temperature. Water temperature is very important when surf fishing. Water temps change throughout the year, which means that you will have different fish in the surf. Different fish prefer different water temperatures. In the comments, I have added a chart that I found on the internet that has the optimum water temperatures for many of the most popular saltwater fish in the US. Knowing the right temperature will help you be much more successful.
Look at that, dude. Look at it. Oh, yes. Did you see that? This is a bigger one, too. Woo. This is a huge one. That's all right, dude. Watch out, watch out, watch out. This is a big one. This is a big one.
Number 2, how to spread your combos. What I mean by this is spread them wider apart from each other.